is in federal court.
But isn't their position that even if it wasn't the Attorney General defending the Board of Elections, that they would still be entitled to intervention? Let's say that they hired private counsel. I understand their position to be the same, I think, that it doesn't depend on the fact that the Attorney General is representing them, but the fact that the interests aren't aligned.
I think North Carolina law clearly says that the Attorney General is the authorized representative of the state Board of Elections. And North Carolina law says that the Attorney General represents the state in any case in which the state's a party or interested or its agencies are a party. So
didn't he get dismissed from the suit?
The governor got dismissed from the suit.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. So North Carolina law clearly authorizes the Attorney General to be here. That hasn't been repealed.
Well, what if a private firm was representing the state Board of Elections? They just decided no Attorney General. So you said the state can kick the Attorney General out at any time. So let's say that's what happens. What then? Does anything change?
Well, I think I would assume in your hypothetical that there's a state law that says the private lawyers represent the state board to defend the constitutionality of state law.
Yeah, well, you said like they could kick the Attorney General out any time. And I'm not saying like as a matter of general principle that the Attorney General is not the one who typically represents the state in court. But obviously there's been a lot of back and forth, and the legislature has passed laws related to this specific litigation. So I'm just saying, would that matter at all? Let's say they say, we think the Attorney General is doing a bad job, so we want private counsel.
They could do that, absolutely. North Carolina law could do that. And then in that case, again, I don't think the legislature could come in and say we want a second counsel representing the state. They'd just pick one, the one that state law says represents the state.
But it wouldn't change your view about whether the legislature could come into the suit, whether Berger could come in. It wouldn't change.
It wouldn't. But if state law says that the state legislators decide who the counsel is for the state Board of Elections in any particular case, that would be fine from the perspective of federal law. They could certainly do that. And so again, the state is in total control here.